Definition of tax. Tax is moderatory contributions imposed by the government on individual or entities taxpayer to finance state's expenditure of the common welfare. This contributions is compulsory based on law and does not provide a direct return of benefit to the taxpayer. In essence, tax functions as a non-penal, non-voluntary payment required by the state to fund public service, economic development, and government administrations in Indonesia. The definition of the tax is governed by law No. 2/8 of 2007 on general provincial tax producer, which states the tax is financial charge levied on individual or entities by the government based on statutory regulations without direct competitions to support national interests, the social welfare. Types of taxes. Taxes can be classified into various categories depending on the basis of impositions, the taxations, object, and collections authority. The most common classifications are as follows. Direct tax. Taxes are taxes directly imposed on individuals or entities and cannot be shifted to others. Examples include income tax, and tax imposed on income earned by individual or corporations. It is progressive and typically based on taxable income after allowable deductions. Land and building tax. Tax applied on ownership or use of land and building includes taxes. Taxes levied on the consumption of goods or service and usually includes in the price paid by consumer, thus indirectly borne by taxpayer. Example, value add tax or a tax on the added value of goods and services at each stage of productions or distributions. Luxury goods sales tax. Additional tax on luxury items such as car and jewelry. Local taxes collected by regional governments to finance local public service. Examples include heavily regional tax, hotel and restaurant tax, and advertisement tax. Other specific taxes as acquisition duty on land and building rate, bea, and tax on the acquisitions of rights, retailed and land and building stamp duty. Tax on legal document is type of tax, has specific regular and rate tax base and obligations destined to meet various fiscal, economic, and social objectives. Essential elements of tax. Understanding tax requires breaking down its essential elements which difference it from other types of state levies like fees or fines. These elements include mandatory contributions. Taxpayers are unconditionally obligated to pay tax as per the law. Enforceable by law, tax collection is backed by legal auditory and regulations not compliant can lead to sanctions. No direct compensations tax are collected without the expectation of the direct or immediate service or benefit in turn. Purpose for public finance and primary functional is to finance public goods, service and infrastructure for the collective benefit of society based on legislative authority. Tax rules are established by legislations or government regulations, ensuring transparency and legal contain this element ensure that tax maintains its role as fundamental instrument of public finance and government's additional notes on the rules of tax. Taxes redistribute income and wealth by implementing progressive tax structures, helping to reduce economic inequality. They influence economic behavior, for example, by taxing harmful goods, since taxes to discourage compensations or providing tax incentive to encourage its investment. Taxes ensure that government can fund essential services such as education, healthcare, national defense, and infrastructure development.